Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy.
Earth's Hidden Layers – Journey to the Center of our Planet. Today's video takes us deep beneath the surface of our planet. The ground beneath our feet seems solid and still, but far below the surface, Earth is made of powerful, moving layers. These layers shape mountains, fuel volcanoes, create earthquakes, and generate Earth's magnetic field. This video explores the hidden structure of Earth and how scientists learn what lies far below the crust. No human has ever traveled to the center of the Earth. The deepest drilling project reached only a small distance into the crust. Scientists rely on indirect evidence to study Earth's interior. One of the most important tools is the study of seismic waves created by earthquakes. As these waves travel through Earth, they move at different speeds depending on the material they pass through. Some waves bend, slow down, or stop entirely. By measuring these changes, scientists can identify distinct layers beneath the surface. This method allows researchers to create detailed models of Earth's structure without ever physically reaching the deep interior. The crust is the thin outer layer of Earth. It includes continents, mountains, valleys, and the ocean floor. Compared to the rest of the planet, the crust is very thin. It ranges from about 5 to 40 miles thick. There are two main types of crust. Continental crust forms the land we live on. Oceanic crust forms the seafloor and is denser than continental crust. The crust is broken into massive pieces called tectonic plates. These plates slowly move across Earth's surface, shaping the planet over millions of years. Beneath the crust lies the mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer of Earth and makes up most of the planet's volume. It extends nearly 1,800 miles below the surface. The mantle is made of hot, dense rock that behaves like a very slow-moving solid. Heat from deeper inside the planet causes convection currents into the mantle. Hot material rises, cools, and then sinks again. These slow motions drive the movement of tectonic plates at the surface. This process leads to the formation of mountains, ocean basins, volcanoes, and earthquakes. The mantle plays a critical role in shaping Earth's surface over time. Below the mantle lies the outer core. This layer is made mostly of molten iron and nickel. Temperatures in the outer core reach thousands of degrees, keeping the metals in a liquid state. As the liquid metal moves and circulates, it creates electrical currents. These currents generate Earth's magnetic field. The magnetic field protects the planet from harmful solar radiation and helps guide navigation systems. Without the outer core and its flowing metal, Earth would be far less protected from space weather. At the very center of the planet lies the inner core. It is a solid sphere made mostly of iron and nickel. Despite extremely high temperatures, intense pressure keeps the inner core solid. The inner core remains one of the most mysterious parts of Earth. Scientists study how seismic waves travel through it to learn about its composition and behavior. The heat from the inner core helps drive the movement of the outer core and mantle, keeping Earth's internal system active. The interaction of Earth's layers creates powerful surface features. When mantle material rises to the surface, it forms volcanoes. When tectonic plates collide, mountains rise. When plates slide past each other, earthquakes occur. Ocean ridges form where plates pull apart and new crust is created. Deep ocean trenches form where one plate sinks beneath another. These movements happen slowly, but over millions of years they completely reshape the planet. Earth's layered structure makes life possible. The magnetic field shields living things from harmful radiation. Volcanic activity releases gases that help form the atmosphere. The movement of plates recycles minerals and shapes landscapes that support ecosystems. Even the slow shifting of continents influences climate patterns over long periods of time. Earth's interior constantly works in unseen ways to support the world on the surface. Beneath Earth's surface lies a complex system of heat, motion, and energy. The crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core work together to shape the planet and protect life. Earth's hidden layers reveal that even what cannot be seen plays a powerful role in the world we experience each day. Thank you for exploring Earth's interior with me today. Until next time.
As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.